Welcome to Taranker. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the category page to help you find the best apps for your Shopify store. At first, you'll see the featured apps, each displaying key features and ratings. You can choose to try for free or click Compare to evaluate them against similar apps. For quick access, you'll find Top Free Apps, Top 20 Apps 2024, and Top Best Apps at the top right. Taranker uses smart AI technology to logically analyze, rating, and categorize the apps. These filters make it easy to browse popular app lists. You can sort the apps by options like featured, top-rated, most popular, or by pricing and date. This lets you find exactly what you need in no time. On the left, there's a related categories section with similar app recommendations. Below, the price filter allows you to view all free or premium apps. Scrolling down, you can filter apps by user ratings. Choose from all rated, 4 stars and up, or 3 stars and up to find apps with high reviews. Finally, the Other Categories section lets you explore more app categories to discover useful tools for your store. That's it. With these features, the Taranker category page makes finding the right app for your Shopify store simple and effective. Visit taranker.com to get started. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips.